What's the meaning of bias? Bias. Bias.
Bias. Bias. Bias refers to a particular inclination or tendency to see things in a certain way, often based on personal beliefs or experiences. It can influence how we interpret information, make decisions, and interact with others. In the context of research, bias can be introduced through factors such as sample selection, data collection methods, and analysis techniques. Biases can be conscious or unconscious, and they can have various origins, including cultural, social, and cognitive factors. Understanding and addressing biases is important for promoting objectivity, fairness, and accuracy in various fields, from journalism and politics to medicine and science.